Hi Steph. So we have included the feature which you were talking about. So if I come back to the admin, you can see that we have included two different pool. One is for purchase and one is for reward. And when the user will stake the token, we are charging 5% commission. But you can change that. This one is totally up to you. So if I come back here, let's try to make a purchase. Just keep this one in mind, 480 token, and this one is for the reward. So if I come back here and if I try to purchase the tokens, for example I want to give, let's say, zero point 0.1 Sol, and I will get 100 tokens. So I'll click on this buy with Sol, and the transaction is processing, and here I'm getting the token which I'm buying. So I'm buying 100 token. Let's click on this confirm, and the transaction is processed, and finally we have bought the token and we have got the token in our wallet. So if I come back here, you will find that the token we have released from our pool which I have provided for the ICO, and this token is only for reward which will be distributed when the user will claim the staking. So if I come back here in the staking, right now I have no staking pool, but I can easily able to get and claim the staking. So finally I have this staking. So what I will find here, you can see that this is the token which I have uploaded, because when the user will stake the token, we are charging 5% commission. So if I click on this early withdrawal, click on this OK, and this time you will find that we're going to take the token back of our contract. So I'll click on this confirm, and we are sending this transaction. So we have completed the transaction. If you come back here in the admin section, there you will find that this time we have paid the staking reward from this particular pool. So that's how the pool and the purchasing will happen. If you come back here in the admin function, so you can deposit the token in this pool differently. So this one is for ICO. So if you deposit in this ICO pool, you can deposit, for example I want to deposit 20 and let's make it 400. I'll click on this deposit and the transaction is happening. So I'm depositing 20 token. Click on this confirm, and the transaction is completed, and we have deposited the token in this, and it's went to 400. If I want to deposit in this, I can deposit that, and this one is for the staking reward. I can deposit, let's say 20, and I can click on this deposit reward, and the transaction is happening. So let's click on this confirm, and the transaction is completed, and we have deposited the token. So that's how you can able to control. If you want, you can simply come back here in the staking, and from here you can have the same feature. So this is the two feature you suggested us, that we want to separate the ICO and the staking. And when I will stake, let me show you. When I will come back here, and if I stake, for example I want to stake for 365, and I want to stake, let's say 200 let's stake 100 token, and the moment I will click on the stake, you will find that we are charging 5% commission. So it will go to 95 token into the contract, and 5% token you will going to receive in your wallet address as a commission. So let's click on this confirm, and the transaction is happening, and finally we made the staking. So that's how the application would work. This is the two feature we have included, and the rest of the thing as it is, which you have already taken. So every single thing is working flawlessly. So just let me know if you want. We have this working code with us, and we can provide you. So just let me know your final confirmation. We can process this and we can provide you the exact code. So that's the only thing from my end. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.